Hello friends, this is my Walgreens haul for today, which is Sunday the 21st. One snafu with the Pantene, everything else went really well, so I'll talk about that. And unfortunately, no digital booster like spend 20, get back 5, that sort of magic. But this guy did print out of the machine for me, which is 8 back when you spend 35. I'm really hoping that on Wednesday or maybe Thursday morning, some Black Friday magic will show up in our digital coupons folder for Walgreens, but we'll have to wait and see. There are 2 deals that I think you should do, which include the Olay and the Purell. They're both really good deals. And if you have a lot of those $5 store coupons, basically today, guys, I had 3 of those. I just threw them into these deals. And I still have 6 left in my wallet. So I need to figure something out because they just keep showing up. They're like gremlins, you know? So I'll just explain what I did. I think at the very least, if you want to do the Olay and the Purell deal, they're both solid little deals. And then over at Bath and Body Works, my goodness gracious, this has been a double header this weekend where we have the really cheap candles. This is still going on today, Sunday the 21st. And then yesterday, this is a dead deal where the really cheap hand soaps. But I'll talk about that secondly. And if you love like all things Bath and Body Works, my goodness gracious, on Monday the 22nd, it's going to start their Black Friday week. And they even have that mystery box, which is spend 40 and then you pay 40 for the box, and it's supposed to be $100 worth of magic in that box. So I will link a video at the very end if you wish to watch it. There's just so much stuff happening at Bath and Body Works. And if you love this stuff, and I think this stuff really, you know, creates an atmosphere in your home. You just light that candle and you're immediately relaxed when you walk in the door. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I love Bath and Body Works. So we'll talk about that in a quick second. The weather report for you guys, kind of a dreary sort of one today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. And I know that most of you are just here for the Walgreens, so we'll talk about Walgreens. So I'm very, kind of like sneaky suspicious that maybe Wednesday or Thursday we'll see some Black Friday deals or coupons. Usually they have promotions for hot tools, like for hair. They have some sort of thing for free scunsy elastics, and they have usually something else really inexpensive, but I'm not seeing it yet. Now, I didn't get a digital booster, but this guy did print out for me, and I'm gonna hang on to it until Thursday in case something shows up. Usually Thanksgiving Day is the beginning of their Black Fridays. Like they do it Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I'm just gonna hang on to this till Thursday. So today's deals, this is what I got. And I think that at the very least, if you just wanna do these deals, they're very solid. So the first one is with the Olay body wash. These guys are 2 for $13. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. So the new subtotal is 11. I threw in $10 of Walgreens cash, paid the $1 plus tax. And guess what? This printed out. And this is not a store register reward. This is a manufacturer coupon register reward. So in theory, I could have used a store register reward for this, but I thought because the $5 one was gonna print, I thought, oh, well, blah, blah, blah. But this is a manufacturer, not a store one. So you could actually use that store register reward for the Olay deal, just to note that, but I didn't know that at the time until I like looked at this and I was like, oh, that is interesting tea. So anyhow, solid deal for some very inexpensive body wash, and you can either get the liquid or bar soap if that is your thing. The next little dealio that we have is with the Purell, and I was looking at this, and the expiry date for this is March of 2026. So if you were kind of like me and you didn't have any hand sanitizer at the beginning of the pandemic, and you were like buying a ton when it was plentiful, perhaps you know, just keeping this in the back of your stockpile might be an idea, and that's precisely why I grabbed one of these. So this guy is $2.99, and I got the one which is soothing gel. I thought it would be nice. And subtracting the $1 digital is $1.99. Now you can use a bit of Walgreens cash if you wish. And then you're gonna get back this $1 register reward, which is a manufacturer, if you look where my thumb is. So it drops us down to 99 cents, which is a really great price point for hand sanitizer, and Purell, which is a really, it's a good brand. At the very least, if you're like, it's a slow week over there, Walgreens, this is what I would do. The Olay and the Purell, because I think they're solid deals. So the last couple of times, the Viva, this one especially, it wasn't ringing up properly, and I don't know why, and this is the only one my store carries, so I was like, but today I opened up the old app and it's scanned for $3.99, and these are usually like upwards of $7 for this. Like, this stuff is made out of gold or something like that. It's really nice. It's the signature cloth one, so it's the fancy one. So these guys are $3.99, which is a really inexpensive price because usually it's like $6.99, so $3 of savings right there. I grabbed 2 of them, guys, for $7.98. I presented one $5 store register reward coupon and then threw in $3 of Walgreens cash, and I basically paid the balance of the tax. And then I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I think I got 100 points. So how wonderful is that? So this is where I ran into a couple of problems. Now in the ad, the Pantene, I believe these big memas, they are 3 for $15, and these are the 24 fluid ounce. So this is shampoo for like the next 2 years. We have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon. It came off perfectly. Now I read in the ad, I had to look this up in the store, and it said like buy 3 get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now I don't know. The ones that I found, these ones are $3.99 a pop. They weren't 3 for $15 because they were on clearance. So I grabbed these ones. But the tag under it had that same little thing of like, you know, part of the weekly promotion. I did not get my $5 in Walgreens cash. I didn't know if it had to do with a store coupon, if it was a store coupon or Walgreens cash, but I would not pick up the clearance stuff because it is not triggering the Walgreens cash or the store register reward for me. Thankfully, a very nice manager just credited me the $5, so she's so nice. But like, it was kind of messy, so I would just get the $15 if you want to do it that way. But the 4 off of 3 did come off for me, so it's just kind of a weird deal. But these guys were on clearance for $3.99 a pop. Okay, so this is the last little deal that I did with the $5 store register reward. And like I was saying, guys, I had so many that I had to start getting creative. So these little Unstoppables, they are like 4.3 ounces, so a smaller one, you know, but hey, still, it's a nice little, they're like scent beads for your laundry, so it smells really good. These guys are $3.29 a pop. So for the promotion for this is to buy 3 and get 1 for free. How nice is that? So for 3 of them, that's $9.87. I threw in one $5 store coupon that I had. That came off. And then I threw in like $5 in Walgreens cash. And I just paid the tax for that. And I'll do that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. If you think about it, if you buy 8 ounces of this, it's usually like upwards of, you know, $10. So to get it for that price point, it's a really good deal. And this really is nice for like towels and bedding and that sort of thing for the laundry. So, like, guys, I really hate to always be like, I'm not sure, la la la, but I think as the week unfolds, we'll get more information about Black Friday, and I'm really like hoping that they give us something really nice, like my fingers crossed, they give us something really nice for Black Friday, and I think they might be, because why is there no boosters this week thus far? And I did try to do the Maybelline deal, but unfortunately that inventory was not at my store, the little mascara set. So maybe some of you can track it down. And one thing I did notice in the app this morning, the $4 Maybelline coupon is gone, but the $2 one is there. And if you looked at the $4 Maybelline coupon, it's supposed to be valid till I think the end of the month. So you would have to call customer service and get them to comp you for that $4 missing coupon because they removed it from all of our accounts, which they sometimes do. But if you have a screenshot of it, you can just even use this one and explain to them that, hey, you know, it was there and now it's gone. Or it might come off at checkout, who knows, because coupons have been floating in and floating out after they did this new design, and I've noticed that as well. So anyhow, that is Walgreens, and if I have more information for you guys, I will share as the week unfolds. And sometimes when they play it really cool, like there's no deals, it's like everybody and their grandmother will be at Walgreens starting on Thursday, like it might be really hot. So I will let you guys know whenever I get more information. So over at Bath and Body Works, you guys know I love everything Bath and Body Works. And so on Saturday and Sunday, they had two promotions to get people in the store. Saturday's promotion was these really inexpensive hand soaps, and they were $2.95. I think the original price for this, they're $8.50. They used to be $6.50. I guess they must be made out of gold too. That is expensive stuff. $2.95. Now with the Black Friday sale that will be starting on the 22nd, which is Monday, they're gonna have a buy 3 items, get 3 for free, and usually hand soap is part of it. So if you might have coupons to go with, that might be fantastic. I also had this little free item, like get a lotion. So I got this big one for my sister-in-law for Christmas, and then a whole bunch of hand soaps yesterday, but that is a dead deal, meaning it is no more. Now today's deal that is still going on are, and they are really, really nice to give as a gift, or even if you wanted to do something like this, you know, like one of each. Like imagine putting those 2 items in a little bag for like a teacher's gift. That would be a perfect little gift. What I did, guys, was I grabbed 8 of them, and I had no coupons today. I thought I had a coupon, but it doesn't start till tomorrow. So like a dumbass, I brought it up to the till, and the cashier was like, this starts tomorrow. And I was like, oh, sorry. So I got 8 of these for $5.95, which is $47.60. I went into IBOTTA. I had enough to get a $50 gift card, so I used that. And I just paid the balance of tax. In store, you can use any sort of coupon you might have. If you have that 20% off or some other coupon, yes, you can use it with this sale. But online, you have to type in a code, so you unfortunately can't get any more savings. You can only type in 1 code per transaction, so it would have to be the candle code for this. And this ends today, so if you like all things candles and cute, you might have to go online or in store, and I'm very delighted. I got a couple for gifts for next year, and then a whole bunch of Christmas ones, because I often like to just do this, you know, and then just put it in a cellophane bag, like neighbors, or, you know, like a teacher's gift, or the mail lady, just like little gifts. And everybody loves Bath and Body Works, so very delighted with that. Okay, that's it for this video, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!